Facebook friends and family. I'm Lindsey Collins, the Theater Education Coordinator for the Arts and Science Center, and I have my son Dorian with me today. And we're going to be giving you a little lesson on inertia with a little thing we call the egg drop challenge. Dorian, can you tell us what we're learning about today?
Today we learn about Newton's first law, or inertia. It describes an object in terms of how much energy is transferring to another object. For example, my hand is transferring energy to this hand, which, I mean, like, if you clap your hands hard enough, they'll hurt your hand. That's because you're traveling energy and making it hurt. What we'll need for this challenge is an egg, a half-full glass of water. We used a mason jar, but that doesn't really matter. You can use a cup or, some other stuff like that. You'll need a empty paper towel holder and a paper plate.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our glass of water and we're going to stack the paper plate on top of it. Then we're going to stack the paper towel tube on top of the plate. Then we're going to put the egg on its side like an oval, because you don't want to put it like this because it'll go through the tube. You're going to set it on its side on top of that. And then once we have this stacked, we're actually going to hit the plate, and it's going to knock the plate and the paper towel tube out of the way, and the egg is going to fall into this glass of water. Crazy, I know. You can't do that. Yes, we can. So, since the plate and the tube are very low mass, they have very little inertia, and they'll easily move out of the way. The egg is heavier, so it's not easily moved, leaving it to allow gravity to take over so that it falls straight into the glass.
So, with the power of inertia, the energy from my hand will move the plate and make the egg fall. So, that concludes our science experiment. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
This is the egg drop challenge, and we at ASC are challenging you to do this at home. Make sure that you record yourself doing it and post it up to our Facebook page. Thanks, you guys. See you next time. So that was our science experiment. No.
Inertia, or Newton's first law, describes an object, or in terms to experiment, about the... Inertia describes...
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. What did I say a while ago?
You're trying to say make sure you do the video.
Oh, okay.
Newton's first law describes an object in terms of how much energy is needed to move it. So every... Oh my god.
So... is a glass of water. I have an old mason jar, but any kind of a glass of water will do, and you're going to want to do it a little bit more than half full. Then you're going to put... That concludes our egg drop challenge. Make sure that you please... There. All right, you got it?